Fetch AI will definitely give us exponential gains where we can easily see more than a 10x from the current prices that we have at the moment once the bull market is here. And on today's video, I will be discussing a negative structure that is playing out here on the charts, give you my long-term price as the short-term price prediction analysis. And before I do so, for those of you that want to take a trade on Fetch AI, you can check out Bybit, which is giving you up to $20 in sign-up bonuses, and you can also earn up to $30,000 in deposit bonuses. You can also check out BINANCE, which is giving you up to $5,000 in deposit in sign-up bonuses also. So make sure that you check out those two exchanges. And getting back to the charts, here on the Fetch AI chart, I have a negative structure that I have been tracking since last year in October when we saw the bear market lows. And after seeing the bear market lows, we saw a very nice bounce to the upside in a move that gave us a high above the 3.479 in a move that I'm terming as a negative count 1. And after we picked in that negative count 1, we started a corrective structure in a negative count 2, whose minimum target areas I have highlighted here on the charts using this blue target area, which is an area that I came up with using the Fibonacci's, connecting the fibs from the low that we made, that is the bear market low, to the high above the 3.479, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, which is an area that we have now fully maximized, and there are high chances that we now have a low in place in this negative count 2, and in the next coming weeks or maybe months we can start another aggressive bounce to the upside in what I will be terming as a negative count 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that negative count 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, which perfectly lies above the 6.317. And basing from the current prices that we have at the moment, if we manage to hit the fib level 1.618, that will be a perfect 6x to the upside. And once we have a high in this negative count 3, I will expect a pullback in a negative count 4, then continue gearing up even higher in a negative count 5, in a move that can easily get us back above the $10 mark. And if that is the case, that will be a perfect 10x from the current prices that we have at the moment. And that is what I'm expecting on the long term. And getting back to the 1 hour chart so that I can now share my short-term price prediction analysis, still basing it on the negative structures. Here on the 1 hour chart, I have this negative structure that I have been tracking since the 8th of July when we saw this breakdown move. Then afterwards, we saw a very nice bounce to the upside, giving us a high above the 1.568 in a move that I'm terming as a negative count 1. Then we started a corrective structure in a negative count 2, whose minimum target areas I have highlighted here on the charts using this blue target area, an area that I came up with using the Fibonacci once again, connecting it from the low of the first wave to the high of that negative count 1, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, which perfectly lies between the 1.3 and the 1.164, which is an area that we have now fully maximized. And you can see that at some point yesterday we lost the fib level 0.78 after the FOMC meeting in a move that gave us a breakdown move to the fib level 0.88, which has also continued to hold as support. And as long as we continue holding above that key area on the Fibonacci, there are high chances that in the next coming hours we can see a bounce back, break above the 20-day MA, break above resistance at the 1.162, and the moment we manage to break above that, maybe with a retest, we can see another bounce back to the upside, starting an impulsive wave to the upside in this negative count 3. If that is not the case and we continue seeing lower prices, losing the fib level 0.88, which perfectly lies above the 1.117, there are high chances that we can easily see a total breakdown move here on the chart, giving us a reset of the low that we made on the 8th of July below the $1 mark. So there are high chances that in case we lose this key area of support, we are going to see a total breakdown move to the $1 mark before we can get another bounce back. And if that happens, then I will have to restructure these white Elliot structure that I have here on the chart. So that is the price action that I'm watching here on the Fetch AI chart on the short term and also on the long term. And I hope that video was of much help to you, and I hope to catch you on the next one.